Hello students. So welcome in accountancy session of class 12th. So today we are going to start the going to do numerical question from profit loss appropriation account, question number 19. So in this question, P and Q are partners sharing the profit loss in the ratio of 60:40. On 1st April 2014, their capital were P 5 lakh and Q 3 lakh. During the year ended 31st March 2015, they earned profit of net profit of 7 lakh 60,000. The terms of partnership deeds are as follows. Number 1, interest on capital is to be charged 8% per annum. Second, B will get commission at the rate 3% on turnover. Number 3rd, Q will get a salary of 5,000 per month. Number 4th, Q will get commission of 5% on the profit after deducting interest, salary and commission including his own commission. And number 5th, P is entitled to a rent of 20,000 per month for the use of his premises by the firm. Partners drawing for the year ended were P 40,000, Q 30,000 and the turnover for the year was 20 lakh. After considering the above factors, you are required to prepare profit loss appropriation account and partners capital account of the firm. Okay, so now see the solution. So here you can see that profit loss appropriation account. So in the profit loss appropriation account, first of all you have to write debit side interest on capital. So interest on capital P and Q. So P's capital is 5 lakh. So 5 lakh, 8% of 5 lakh is 40,000 and Q's capital is 3 lakh. So 8% of 3 lakh is 24,000. So total capital per interest will be 64,000. And then salary. So in the question, Q will get a salary of 5,000 per month. So 5,000 per month. So you have to convert the monthly salary into annually salary. So 5,000 multiplied by 12, 60,000. Then to Q's salary 60,000 in the debit side. And commission. So before writing the commission, write by net profit and loss account in the credit side, that is the 7,60,000, but you have to deduct 1,24,000 from the profit, because in the last adjustment given P is entitled to a rent of 20,000 per month for the use of this premises by the firm. So rent related to the profit loss account. So in this question given monthly rent, you have to convert into annually. So 20,000 multiplied by 12, that is a 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 you can directly deduct from the profit loss account in the credit side. So 7,60,000 minus 2,40,000, this will come 5,20,000 in the credit side. So now commission. So P is commission. P will get a commission of 3% on turnover. P will get a commission of 3% on turnover and total turnover is 20 lakh. So 3% of 20 lakh is 60,000. So 60,000 P's commission and Q's commission. So Q will get a commission of 5% on profit after deducting interest, salary and commission or including his own commission. So Q को कमीशन यहाँ पे पे करना है, उसमें प्रॉफिट में से इंटरेस्ट, सैलरी और कमीशन को डिडक्ट करके उस पर 5% कैलकुलेट करना है. सो प्रॉफिट 5,20,000 माइनस इंटरेस्ट 64,000 माइनस सैलरी 60,000 माइनस पीस कमीशन 60,000. So 5,20,000 minus 64,000 minus 60,000 minus 60,000. So 3,36,000. So 3,36,000 multiplied by 5 upon 105. Then Q's commission will be 16,000. Then you have to write in the debit side P's commission 60,000 and Q's commission 16,000, total 76,000. So now you can calculate the divisible profit by deducting. So credit side 5,20,000 minus debit side, then you will get 3,20,000 divisible profit. Then you have to divisible profit divide into the P and Q in their ratio given 60 is to 40. So 60 is to 40 means 3 is to 2. So P will gets 1,92,000 and Q will gets 1,28,000. Now partners capital account. So in the partners capital account, first of all you have to write the by balance brought down. 5 lakh P's column and 3 lakh in Q's column, capital in the credit side. Then credit side also write by interest on capital, Q's interest 40,000 and P's interest 40,000 and Q's interest 24,000. And by salary, only Q will get a salary, so write in the Q column 60,000. And by commission, P's commission 60,000 and Q's commission 16,000. And also write the profit loss appropriation account. So P's profit, divisible profit 1,92,000 and Q's profit 1,28,000. And drawing will be recorded in the debit side. So two drawing, P's drawing 40,000 and Q's drawing 30,000. Then you can calculate the balancing figure by deducting credit from debit. So you will get by balance carried down, P's balance is 7,52,000 and Q's balance is 4,98,000. Okay. So this is how you can calculate the balance in partners capital account. So I hope you can understand. If you have any queries, please let me know. I will help you. Thank you very much for joining me.